and our dearest principal, Dr. Jerry Ferraren. Good day. I am Ira Mel Inutan Alfeche, an alumna of Matina Central Elementary School, class of 2012. I graduated with honors and received the Best in Leadership Award. Today, I proudly stand before you as your reigning Miss Philippines Earth 2024. I'm here not just to share my life story, but I am here to inspire each and every one of you. Like many of you here, I had isa ang unahay pangarap diriya. Yes, kita tanan na ay pangarap to become a teacher, to become a pilot, flight stewardess, doctor, engineer, lawyer, or kung unsa man na profession ang atong gusto, we have a few. But in my story, growing up without a father in a broken and financially struggling family wasn't easy. Still, I never let those hardships stop me. Instead, they fueled me. Life has never been smooth. It's a roller coaster filled with battles to fight and challenges to overcome. But remember this, problems remain problems if we let them consume us. We must find solutions so they won't become a burden to us. I was raised by a strong single mother who had to provide for her 4 children. She juggled many jobs just to put food on the table and send us to school. She was not alone.